In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App error code 503. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you've seen the Cash App error code 503, it typically indicates that there is an issue with the Cash App servers, and this error usually occurs when the servers are overloaded, undergoing maintenance, or experiencing technical difficulties. So here are some few steps to address the issue. All right. Number one is go here, the error reference code. All right. So if you see the service unavailable of the 503, that means the API being called is experiencing an outage, right? And the API client should retry its request. So what you could do is refresh the app first, all right? Or you go and clear the cache, all right? And if it's still not working and still getting the error of 503, you need to offload your cache app. And after offloading your app, if it's still not working, you need to delete or uninstall your cache app on your mobile device and reinstall it again. That way, some of the bugs and glitches can be removed, all right? And if this issue is due to server or overload maintenance, waiting for some time and then retrying the app might resolve the problem, all right? And if these steps resolve the issue, and if you still continue to encounter error code 503 on Cash App, it's advisable to reach out to Cash App support as stated here down below, right? Now, to reach out to Cash App Pay support, all you're gonna do, all right, is tap the profile icon here, select support right here, and then go to something else or go to a live chat agent, all right? And then let them know that you are still experiencing the error code 503 regardless of your troubleshooting parameters, like say you offload the app, reinstalled it, and you still having these error code 503, and the Cash App support will be more than glad to assist you with your concern. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.